Hello everyone, you are on the channel of Knitting School. With you, Katarina Mushin. I want to present you a very beautiful drawing today. This drawing is actually really simple. It only consists of facial and wear loops. This is how it looks from the front side, like this from the wrong side. This pattern is performed on the number of loops multiple times. 6 plus 2 loops for symmetry and plus 2 edges. Here is the scheme you can see on my website, in circles and rows. Link will be under this video. Today we will link to diagram reports in width and one in height. So on the spokes, I have 16 loops. First row, front side. Extreme loop remove. Knit to wear loops. Wear times. Wear to then 4 face times. 2, 3, and 4. See, the last 6 loops is the airport of the drawing. Repeat to wear. Times 2 and 4. Facial times 2. 3 and 4 after the last replay, there should be 3 loops left. 2 loops with symmetry tied as to wear. And the last edge also knit wear loop. This is the first row of work turn. Second row from the wrong side. Loop knit by pattern. Extreme loop remove. Perform to facial. Then 4 wear times 2. 3, 4. Alternate to facial. For wear times. To 3. And 4 at the end we will have to face ones. Edge wear loop. Ready, second row. Work turn. Now watch. We repeat these 2 rows only 3 times. That is, 3rd to 6th rows. Repetition of 1st and 2nd row. Let's 3rd row on the front side remove the loop. Knit to wear. For front to 3, 4. Again to wear. For front 2. 3, 4. Symmetry loops to wear. An edge wear loop. Work turn from the wrong side. First loop shoot. Knit to facial. For wear times. 2, 3, and 4. Repeat to face. For wear to 3. 4. And at the end to facial. Edge wear loop. It means we continue the 5th row. First loop shoot again rapport. To wear 4 face. Repeat to wear. For facial. Loops with symmetry. To wear edge wear loop. Ready to turn knitting. So we remove the edge. 6th row by drawing. To facial. For wear to 3 and 4. To facial. For wear. And 2 front edges knit wear loop. That's it, we finished the 6th row. Actually, we got a scrunchie out of 2. We're in 4 face loops. Here is 6 rows tied with this gum. So further 7th row, we have from the front side. First loop shoot. Now the jawport of the drawing will knit like this. 3 face times. 2 and the next knit 3. Next to wear. Once and 2. And another 1 front. Here are these 6 loops we repeat. 3 faced ones again. Times to 3. Along with the last facial. We got 4 facial ones in a row here. To wear. And 1 facial, that's the second replay. To symmetry loops knit facial. an edge wear loop. Thus we have symmetry. Here 3 facial, and at the end it turns out 3 facial. So turn knitting. 8th row on the back side. Insole shoot means 2 symmetry loops. To wear airport drawing turns out we have 1 wear. So 2 faced and 3 wear times 2 and 3. Again 1 wear. To front and 3 wear. Times 2 and 3. Edge wear loop. This is how the 8th row fits. Means 7th, 8th row repeat just 3 times. From 9th to 12th row. So it means the 9th and 11th will knit like the 7th. Edge remove 3 front. To wear. 1 front, repeat 3 front. To wear. 1 facial symmetry loops is to facial. Edge wear loop. So 9th, then 11th row. 10th and 12th rows well according to the drawing, just remove the edge. Means to wear symmetry. Plus 3rd wear already report. To facial. Next 4 where we have 3 here. For 2 facial. And at the end I have 3 wear. Edge wear loop. So 11th, 12th rows finish. Edge remove 11th row 3 front. To wear. So 1 facial is the airport of the drawing. Once again 3 faced. To wear 1 facial symmetry. To front edge and wear loop. Here is work turn and last 12th row. Loops shoot. To wear symmetry airport figure 1 wear. To front 3 wear. Repeat 1 wear. To front 3 wear. Edge wear loop. Here is ready to turn her back. All these 12 rows. We get it here is a beautiful one. Rubber band really the effective gum is. Despite these all tracks, the gum effect is, especially here you can see. That's how the hats are perfect to knit with such a pattern. For the boys, for girls, for myself. So it means we repeat the drawing from the 1st row. 1st row was the edge to remove. Report we had to wear. Then 4 faced. So repeat. To wear. For faced. Symmetry of to wear an edge. Wear loop. Here we go again, so keep knitting with this beautiful drawing of ours. It means this pattern I knitted from merino wool. From Ali's Merino Royale Fine Thin. True 50 grams, 175 meters. So I took a thread into addition. Look how wonderful it looks on this yarn. Thank you all, and until new meetings.